Just a quick video on the assembly of the 6-pack drink holder, which can be a bit confusing if you do it in the wrong order, so this takes the confusion out of it. First, take the bottom section and slide that into one of the sides. You can see these two cutouts here, which are not on the outside, they have to be towards the inside. So having done that, take the central piece, which is this one with the handle in it, and slide these two central dividers in from the top, and then take the other side and slide it there. Once again, obviously there's a cutout on the inside, not on the outside. Those two pieces will then just slide together, and having done that, it's a relatively simple matter of just placing the ends on. Slide in like so. Having done that on both ends, the only other thing left to do is to put the tabs in the slots. So these little ones like this. To make that easier, if you go on a bit of an angle like this, that just makes them easier to get in there. And that's about it. Enjoy responsibly.